what's a guy? So we're back on YouTube. So now we're my phone. Do you like it? Then that's my dad over here. Look. Do you want to say hi?
Hello.
But guys, he's gonna make his own YouTube channel, my dad. So go check it out. Out here, what's the name? What's he getting? That's my horse over there. Okay, it's fine. Guys, mine look big, but it's not that big. It's a little hiddle. There he is. Say hi. Look at shy. Look. Let me touch you. Come back here. There. There's his head right there. Come back. Dude, he's gonna make me kick his ass. This will make his little feet. But
He has a lot of espinas, gordo, so be careful, don't touch it.
But
Tiene muchas espinas, gordo.
we want to go up there.
Right now? Ahorita que las haga.
Yeah.
Pachamo.
There's a spider. So guys, there you are. Right here was all the hay. This is a piece of hay, look. Look, you rather eat it first. You guys will eat it. Guys, we're gonna just grab some more food. I don't think I want to eat that. I think I'd rather eat this more. Look, so you would rather eat that more. Look, see, he won't eat that. Guys, I'm just get up there. Oh! Guys, I'm just 6 years old and how can I even get up there? Guys, look at this haystack. First of all, let me get up here. Oh, guys, I have no idea how I'm gonna do it. They're not gonna pause or anything like that. Guys, that's why fletchling. Roar! See that? Roar! 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 God. That's scary. Close like a reef. Just like that. We party in the elevator. We party. That over there. Yes. We're not getting me. Those are just mosquitoes. Guys, this is hay. If you've never seen hay. Guess I'll grab this little big piece. Because my horse needs to be like a half like it's like the his size. He got like a half a his. So see, this is a green little hay. Let's go eat it. It's water. I have no idea why he always gets dirty water on him. Yeah. But guys, this is like real hay. Guys, if you look at that. So I have hay. But look how many hay. Let me just put in this little piece. Little piece. Guys, so this is our part of the later tomorrow. Do you see all that hay that I want to eat? The mother is like a half of this type of hay. It's not but it's not a rough half of piece of hay. Guys, so there are all the mosquitoes. Guys, so what you would rather do? Pickle picks. What would you rather do a big jump? What would I rather climb up here? You guys, so guys, you can leave a comment. Leave a comment. It's not a comment with it. Would there is you guys say rock on your refresh. If you have a YouTube channel, comment rock your YouTube channel name.
Some spray for the moscas. For the horse.
Okay, so I'm coming with you. But guys, you have two ducks, you have around the chickens. Now baby chicks, guys. If you want to like see baby chicks. And that's my baby cat. Party with my baby cat. Party with my cat. So guys, we're almost gonna end this video. Guys, you did not notice the Game Master been after me. Because since I had the YouTube channel when I was not recording, a lot of strange stuff happened. That's my dog Chica. Say hi. And that's my another two dogs. One, and that's my another one. So I just have 3 dogs. So guys, so I think guys, so I think I'll just make this 2 minutes, so it has to be my 9 minutes. 2 minutes.
Chicken, hey! Chicken!
Chicken!
Hey! Stay! Come here! Stay! Chicken! Sorry! No! Ante! No. No.
Party with a cheese. Party with a horse cheese.
No. No. No.
Hey guys, so there. So guys, so we're just gonna make this 8 minutes. So bye guys. So leave a like and subscribe, guys. Bye.